Now we're given this diagram, and then we're told that a frustum is made by removing a small cone from a similar large cone. Now they are similar cones, okay? So we just took out this similar large cone from the similar small cone from the main large cone. Now we're told that the height of the small cone is 20 and the height of the large cone is 40. The base diameter of the large cone is 30. Work out the volume of the frustum. Now the frustum is just this remaining figure when you take out this small cone from the large cone. Okay, now looking at this objectively, you see the big cone and then you see the small cone. So subtracting the volume of the small cone from the volume of the big cone, you get the volume of the frustum. Okay, now what's the formula for volume of cone? To be 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, now volume of the frustum will be 1/3 pi big R squared big H minus 1/3 pi small r squared small h. Okay, now looking at this, now we have our r. We can get our r from here for the big cone, and then we'll have our h from here, but we don't have r for the small cone. But these cones we're told that they are similar. So since the height of the big cone is 40 and the height of the small cone is 20, you can see that this one is half of this. Okay, so the radius or the diameter for the small cone is going to be half of this too. So the diameter for this is going to be 15 centimeters. So using that, we're going to solve out the volume of the frustum. So we have 1/3 times pi times the r for the big one is going to be 30/2. That's 15. Okay, 15 times 15 times h is 40. Then minus 1/3 times pi times the radius for the small one is going to be 15/2. That's 7.5. 7.5 times 7.5 times the height is 20. Okay, so you have times 20. So punching this out in our calculator, we're going to have 9424.778 minus 1178.097. Okay, and then it's going to give us 8246.681. Okay, but we're told to correct our answer to 3 significant figures, so you have 1, 2, 3. Now stopping at this, checking the next one is more than 5, so we add 1 here and the rest becomes 0, so it will be 8250 centimeter cubed. Remember, for a frustum is made up of a big cone that a small cone was taken out from. So you find the volume of the big cone and take out the volume of the small cone from it, then you have the volume of the frustum. It's just as easy as that.